What does it really mean when a man calls a woman high maintenance? I'm not big on labels, especially negative ones, but this one comes up so often, it made me wonder if there's something deeper behind it. Maybe it points to a set of patterns or beliefs some men have about certain women. So I dug in, and guess what? Most men couldn't even agree on what high maintenance really means. But after sorting through dozens of conversations, 3 common themes started to show up again and again. First, some men say being high maintenance means a woman demands a lot of time and constant attention, like he always has to be texting, calling, or showing up, or she'll get upset. Second, some men say being high maintenance is about image, a woman who's overly focused on looks, fashion, or social status, and those priorities start costing him, either financially or emotionally. And third, some men say it's about emotional intensity. She gets upset easily, takes things personally, and holds on to resentment instead of letting things go. Sound familiar? Here's where it gets interesting. At the core of all these complaints is something men value deeply: freedom. Whether it's time, money, or emotional space, the high maintenance label gets slapped on anything that threatens that sense of personal freedom. A guy might see a high maintenance woman like high maintenance hair, beautiful, but always needing care. Or maybe like a sleek motorcycle, fun to show off, but constantly in the shop. And what do these guys really want? They want room to breathe. They want to goof off without walking on eggshells. They want their hard work appreciated without feeling drained by endless expenses. And they want to keep some of their independence, whether that's time with friends or solo adventures. In other words, they want someone who fits into their life without trying to overhaul it. But here's the twist. Guys who overuse the high maintenance label are often high maintenance themselves. These are the ones who want everything just right, on their terms, with no intention of meeting someone halfway. But real relationships are built on compromise, growth, and shared experiences, not rigid expectations. So if you ask me what I've really learned from researching the whole high maintenance thing, it's this. Don't just avoid being labeled that way. Avoid the kind of guy who's quick to use the label in the first place. If this video gave you a fresh perspective, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it makes a huge difference. Also, you can find the link in the description, which references my full article on this topic.